Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP rallied substantially after the Sunday low, the overnight low that happened there. The price is essentially still in the same sideways range that we discussed in previous videos. Important levels to watch are $1.96, which is the previous upside breakout point from early December, when the price broke above this key level here. And also this is the 2021 high. To the upside, a key level to watch is $3.40 because that's the all-time high, and these two levels define this sideways range. At the moment, the idea is that the price is working on a wave 4. Okay, it could have completed. So the wave 4 might have completed. What is a wave 4? A wave 4 is an Elliott wave pattern. So we are looking at the charts from an Elliott wave perspective. It is a sentiment-based analysis method. And the wave 4 is often very boring. It is, okay, it might not be exactly boring up here, but it's a sideways range. And these wave 4s, they are typically sideways ranges. They can produce a lot of fake outs. So when the market moves up, you might think it's already breaking out, then it's coming down again. It's definitely testing our patience and throwing a lot of people out of their trades, or out of their positions. Now, a fourth wave is, however, a correction. It's correcting the move that happened before to the upside. And we're now waiting for further evidence that this wave 4 has indeed bottomed, and that, for example, a fifth wave to the upside is unfolding. The wave 5 would be the next move to the upside. And an Elliott wave pattern consists of 5 waves, typically, at least a pattern that goes into the trend direction. There are always movements that are in line with the trend direction, and there are movements that are against the trend direction. This here, for example, is now the larger time frame chart, and you can see that we would like to see one more high to form 5 waves. Now, the dip, the correction that we've seen, landed in the support area here on the 4-day time frame. This is a support area that basically protects the bullish scenario. So the $1.13 level is the overall bullish support area. And as long as it's holding, the trend is still up overall. Okay. Now, obviously, it was a very rapid sell-off, but you can see the price dipped into the support area and reversed out of it. That is exactly what we want to see. That is exactly why these areas are on the chart. Now, it is important to understand that a larger support area relevant on the larger time frame is, of course, more relevant, more important than a support area on maybe a 1-hour time frame chart, where the structures are much more fragile. And this is simple because just because a structure breaks on a very small time frame, that doesn't really have an impact on the larger time frame. So it doesn't really matter so much for the overall context. However, on the larger time frame, one more high would be ideal. Next upside targets, $4.19, $5, and $6.61. Let's take a look again at the shorter time frame because a lot of you are curious what's going on here. Now, this is obviously just a look at the microstructure. When you watch the video, it might have already shifted a bit. But the idea is either that wave 4 bottomed here with that, after that decline happened, and we're now working on the next move up. We already saw the, let's say, a small wave 1 in the trend direction. This here could now be a pullback, which often occurs as an ABC structure, a 3-wave move. The next support area that I can offer for this pullback is between $1.90, $1.95 and $2.35. This area is important because only if this area is holding, the reversal attempt can be successful. I mean, below that area, probabilities for a successful upside reversal reduce. It could be that if not the yellow scenario is unfolding, it could be that the blue scenario is unfolding. This would simply mean that the wave 4 isn't finished yet. This was only the A wave of an even larger wave 4, working on the B wave and the C wave. But in both scenarios, $1.95 is relevant. Any break below $1.95, and it might, lead to new lows and the test of the $1.13 level. That's the update of about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.